welcome to a new vlog. So this is like the third vlog I'm filming here, and I'm not really like happy with what I've got footage wise, because my vlogs were all over the place. That's why I'm like starting a new one. I've been in Sydney now for 1.5 weeks after Melbourne, and I'm currently at the Olympic pools. I insert a clip now. But yeah, so far I've stayed at my hostel. I already lost a few stuff there because they're always stealing my stuff in the fridge. It's like so annoying, but that's another story. Anyway, so for now, I had a job interview yesterday. I applied for a bunch of jobs at temping agencies, because that's where most administration jobs are offered. I want to work in administration, by the way, if you didn't know already. Although also, if you haven't seen my working holiday video I've done like a few months ago, I will link it here. It will tell you all about like what my plan is and everything. But yeah, other than that, we're enjoying a beautiful day here in Sydney. It's like today it's gonna be 43 degrees, which is so crazy. Yeah, and the air quality isn't great. Last Tuesday it was like really bad. I will insert an Instagram clip I got from the same place that we're here at Olympic pools. It was horrible. You couldn't breathe. I had serious lung problems. My lung hurt so bad. But right now it's like you can see like the view is a bit smoky, but it's not that bad, to be honest. You can breathe, so that's really good. But yeah, so we're enjoying the beautiful day, and I will see you guys somewhat later. By the way, I'm not naked, I just have a bikini on. I know it looks like.
I've been waiting all my life for someone like you, like you. I would watch the days go by, wasted in blue. I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose.
Just got finished at a cat's cafe. How did you like it? It was so cute. It was the best day ever. The only thing is that I didn't bring my vlogging cam, so I'm filming on the shitty iPhone, but who cares? It was amazing. Hi guys, so I'm back in my hostel room. So I just came back from like what you saw last, like the cat cafe. We had to do a lot of like organizing stuff today, because we went to the German consulate for Lucia. She had to organize some stuff, and then yeah, we got a lot of other stuff done for her. So yeah, basically it wasn't really an interesting day. However, we got to go to the wonderful cat cafe. I tried to film some clips for you get there, since I forgot my vlogging cam at the hostel. And it was so cool. There was a cat that looked exactly like mine, and I'm like, I miss my cat, especially like when it's Christmas coming up. But yeah, basically the plan for the next few days is like tomorrow I'm gonna meet my host mom. I probably won't vlog there because like it's a bit private, you know, like seeing her again after 4 years. And then yeah, Sunday nothing is planned. Monday is the day before Christmas Eve, so me and Lucia, we're planning on going to the grounds, because they have a Frozen theme there, and everyone is telling us, oh, you have to go before Christmas there, because it's like the best time, and it's like 1 day left that we have time for that. Yeah, and then on Christmas Eve, for me it's Christmas, because in Germany we celebrate Christmas on Christmas Eve, actually on the 24th. So I always say Christmas, but I mean like Christmas Eve, if you yeah, just for explanation. Yeah, on Christmas Eve we're going to Bondi Beach, which I'm very excited about, to celebrate Christmas at the beach, or with like a bikini and a Christmas or Santa hat. Very excited for that one, because I mean I've celebrated Christmas in like warmer weather once. That was in Dubai. However, it's still something different doing it like here in Australia, and while everyone at home is like freezing. Sorry to them, but I'm having the time of my life. It doesn't feel like Christmas, to be honest, but yeah, still very cool. And yeah, then on Christmas Day, I don't really have any plans yet, so that's basically it. Oh, and also on Christmas Eve, I definitely have to go to my bank, because then my debit card is like gonna be sent to them, and then after the holidays, they're or like during the holidays, they're obviously closed. So I definitely have to do that on the 24th. So yeah, that's the plans for now, and yeah, that's the update. Also, I've never showed you this, so I'm gonna show you now. Behind me, I have like my little corner where I put all of my stuff, and it feels like a little walk-in closet. So I'm gonna show you. So here's my bed. I just wanted to film this so I like as a memory. So here's my bed. I have a lower bunk bed, and then here is like the little corner, and here I have all of my stuff. It's a bit chaotic. Normally it's like better organized, but I had to rush this morning. So here's my luggage, and this is also my breakfast stuff. So yeah, that's basically it. Also, I'm gonna show you the rest of the room while I'm at it. So it's a really big room for like a hostel, and a 6-bedroom. And what I love about it is that since I'm like staying here for 1 month, I can, yeah, organize everything. I have space to put all of my stuff, because as you can see, I have a lot of stuff, because I'm obviously gonna stay here long. And also, yeah, what I forgot to mention is that yeah, actually my plan for now is that after my hostel stay, which will be over in, oh my gosh, in 2 weeks, because like we have Friday now, so like tomorrow I'm here for 2 weeks, and then I have another 2 weeks until I have to move out. And the plan for now, we haven't really booked anything yet. We're gonna be spontaneous, which is like really hard for me because I'm a planner. Me and Lucia are planning to get an Airbnb together, hopefully in a good area in the city that is like central, but we just have to see, because we want to be spontaneous, because that's when you like have a shorter period to your Airbnb stay, it's cheaper, because like the owner gets a bit under pressure to rent out the Airbnb and stuff like that. So yeah, we're gonna like wait a bit. But yeah, so that's basically the plan for now. And then while we're at it, we're gonna look for jobs and stuff like that. I just applied for a job, or like several jobs now, in the past few hours. Yeah, so that's basically right now, that's the plan, that's the status. Yeah, so that's it. So now all for today, and let's go on to the next clips I got the next few days.
Let's set the tone, a bottle of red wine and pheromones. The conversation flows, a couple of hours, see how it goes.
So guys, we're currently in SeaLife. I'm gonna insert some impressions after this clip, but yeah, it's really cool. We had like entrance for like $28, because Lucia got one from Klux, a good deal. So we're like excited to do fishies.
Get rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get you over, treat you right. We vibing like get rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get together, you and I. We vibing like feeling kinda tipsy, didn't drink so I don't get it. I must be high, but I'm just guessing.
Finally in the pink room section, and now we're like freaking out because they're so cute. Oh my god. They're behind us, but you can't really see them because they're too far away. Oh my gosh, I'm dying to be honest.
So done with second guessing, you seem to have it all. In loving up for anything emotional too soon. You got my invitation, now the rest is up to you.
Hi guys, so I'm ending this vlog now. I think I got enough footage. And yeah, today is actually the day before Christmas, so tomorrow it's supposed to rain. Let's just hope it's not gonna rain, because tomorrow we're gonna go to Bondi to spend Christmas Eve, and then on Christmas Day the plan is to go to the Brands of Alexandria, because we were actually planning to do that today. However, we were like too tired, and we actually ended up going to the movies. We saw Frozen. So yeah, I think that's it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I'm doing weekly vlogs here now just because it's better, because I don't have that much to vlog, to be honest, at the moment. However, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Click on subscribe and also hit the notification bell. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye!